haka arpusan tarik Oktober arjar arpui. Kalong kasih kabakmen shisha ya ka SENG kinong rep kata ka Hills Farmer Union haka bakala PLIE yala ka JONG ka JAKA ay training. Ya kani ka JAKA training kabadon halang kerding maupat Spring Valley Farm. La PLIE da SHRI KUMAR ubaday Chairman JONG ka Meghalaya Farmers Commission Government of Meghalaya. Haba ay jingkren hakani ka SNGI u KUMAR uloong ba nakaliang jong ushimet ukwa banyo bahadin sanla ni shiposnem kajela Meghalaya kanlong kaway na kijela kababayang tam hakaliang karep karyang.
This we know. That's why we want to encourage organizations like Hill Farmers Unions and several other organizations. More farmers unions, the better it is. Because self-help is the best form of help. If you can help yourself, you don't come to the government, then the government will come to you. You come to the government, then the government will not listen to you. This is how human psychology is. And whole government systems are designed to be like that only. There is a patronizing, in English we call that word. Always, I give you, you take it from me. But without farmer, what will happen in this country? Farmer is the most important person in this country. But we don't treat farmers like that. That's why you must have noticed, now there is a Farmers Commission, now there is a Hill Farmers Union, now there are dozen missions which have been launched to take care of the interests of the farmers over the last 5-6 years. When they were doing organic agriculture, they never used fertilizers and pesticides. And it was the government that spoiled them. We said, we will give you subsidy, you buy fertilizer. So you started buying. Then afterwards we said, we will give you pesticides. We will give you subsidy, we will give you pesticides, my agent will come, my dealer will come, and then you can buy from them. We will give you 50% subsidy. Okay, because subsidy is there, you will buy. Subsidy is there, you will use fertilizers. Now, when you are not using it, we have trained you to use it. And now the soil is not responding. You don't use, nothing comes. So you have no option but to come and then take fertilizers and pesticides. And now because you are using fertilizers, what happens is, the pests are also more pests will come. And because pests and diseases come, you have to use pesticides. So it's a very bad cycle we have created. Government is at fault. Without any question, I can say this. And now we have stopped it. Now some farmers are angry. Now they say, how you have stopped it so very suddenly? Of course, in 2014 we stopped it, 7 years. There is a reason why we have stopped it. Because we are destroying our soil, we are destroying our water, we are actually spoiling the health of the people. In fact, cancer, one of the, you can get cancer in Punjab or Andhra Pradesh or where their per capita fertilizer consumption, per capita pesticide consumption is very high. In our state, we don't use so much, even though farmers are wiser than them. Our farmers are wiser than them. They say, no, why should we use so much of fertilizer and so much of pesticide? Many farmers say that. Even then, we are having cancer in our society. Why cancer comes in a place like this? You have pure water, you have pure air, you have wonderful weather, we have everything. Still cancer is coming. And cancer is coming because of the pesticides. And if we stop pesticides, what will happen if nothing else happens? And even if the production is a little less also, still people are healthier, people are safer. So we have stopped it in 2014. And now we are focusing on biofertilizers and biopesticides so that there will be less stress to the farmers. I am looking at a period of time frame of about 5 to 10 years, by which time Meghalaya will be one of the best states in the country for the farming community. This is what I want, this is our dream. And I am sure together we both can achieve that. Okay, here we inaugurate such a wonderful training center. Thank you very much.